So W International is a heavy steel fabrication company.
On a day-to-day basis, I build projects for W. I'm a welder, so I weld up joints together, metal together with each other to make the part, including like stealth bomber platforms, aircraft carriers, submarine parts, strong backs for the submarine parts, and to carry the submarine, basically.
Some of our other work that we do is for the Artemis program within NASA and building the new platform and the trusses. And then we also work locally here with Santee Cooper.
As a lead here at W, kind of focus on the crew that I'm over, work with the guys, work on their techniques, weld techniques, work on the ways they weld, plan out our dates, see what we're gonna do for the future. Try to have a game plan for what's coming. Always try to be one step ahead of what we're doing here.
STEM education can make an enormous amount of difference. You have 2,500 seniors in 3 counties here in the Low Country graduating 12th grade every year that is not going to college or a 2-year trade school. Having STEM experience can let them see and understand and bring great value to organizations with self-esteem like they do here at W International. If you have taken high school welding for 2 years, you can come here at $21 an hour and you go ahead and start your career. You go through our same training class, but we go ahead and front load that money up front because we know that you've already had training.
I feel I'm a visual learner, so I have to see you weld for me to actually get it down pat.
It is completely different. You can learn so much more hands-on than you can just trying to remember something.
A weld trainee student, you're going to have half of your time in class and half of it under the hood out on the floor. You're learning safety, you're learning your tools, you're learning all of the the criteria of how to read blueprints, how to do proper measuring.
It took me about 5 weeks to get on the floor, and from there I went straight to welding.
And I can tell you, we have a 99% passing average. The instructors that work with us, they're instructors because they are passionate about each individual student.
I like what I do. It's art to me. I'm the artist, it's art. Every time somebody goes out on the floor, they be like, oh yeah, that's Lexi's welds, because it's art.
If you don't know, you're junior, senior, don't know where you want to go, welding's something you might want to look into. I mean, I would have never thought, but I enjoy it. I come to work every day with a smile on my face and just keep going at it. I mean, if you really don't know what you want to do, I highly suggest looking in W, getting in contact with Michelle Fowler. There's someone out here and they'll get you on the right path. There's definitely a career to look into. There's plenty of growth here.